Alright, we're in the dyno room here at Golen Engine. We just finished building a 427 cubic inch LS7 road race engine for our customer down in Louisiana by the name of Harry Clack. Engine made about 716 horsepower, right around 600 foot-pounds of torque, and it has an external dry sump, factory LS7 CNC ported head that we've done some additional CNC porting to, along with a single plane GM LS7 multi-port fuel injected intake, and a Holley 1000 CFM throttle body on it as well. Yeah, the engine running real nice. Should be real happy with this. Should make quite the racing engine for him.